Hello everybody and welcome back to another C++ programming exercise video. And in today's video we're going to be going over the concept of arrays in structures. So let's get to it. So now the first thing that we're going to go over is how you declare an array inside of a struct. Now keep in mind any sort of values that you assign inside of a struct will also be inside of any sort of variable that is declared of that same type. So now that's also a pretty good thing about structs, is that it's very easy to sort of manipulate a certain default data value set, and then from there you can just change it up however you would like. So right up here, you're going to declare a named constant, and you're going to name that named constant and array size, and it's going to be equal to 1000. And from there, we're going to declare a structure inside of here, just because. So then we're going to write in struct list type, this is sort of just an example, by the way, of how a structure with an array inside would be declared. So then you would write in int list element. This will just be the showcase of how you do it. So array size, you would put the size of the array in there, and then you'd write in int list length. And that is how you would declare an array. So that right there is a very, very easy way to create a, structure and declare an array inside of that structure. Now I'm going to show how to create a function using this structure. Now actually, let me just drag this outside so we can use this structure outside of our so we could use this structure outside of the main function, because right at the bottom here we're going to make a function, and it's going to be a variation of the sequential search function. So the first thing that you want to do in the sequential search function is write in int sequential search, and then you're going to write in constant int list type and this constant isn't supposed to be there. It's just going to be constant list type and list comma int search item, and we're going to come at the end, write in these parentheses, and write in int location semicolon bool found is equal to false, and now for location is equal to 0, location is less than list dot list length location plus plus, and now if list dot list element with index of location is equal to search item then found is equal to true, and then we break, and then from there we write in if found is true, then we return location, else we return -1. Excuse me. So now in this case, this is how you would standardly use the sequential search function. This is just basically using structs to sort of change up the sequential search function a little bit. Now up here inside the main function, I'm going to write some code just to show how it will work. So first up, we're going to have to create an array, and then we're going to write in int index, or no, we're going to write in int list, so we write in int list right up here, and we're just going to write in that right there, and it's going to have array size. Now in this case, it's not going to be 1000, it's actually only going to be 4. So after we plug in 4, I'm also going to make this equal to 2, 8, 4, 10. Alright, so then you just do this. Now we're going to write in a sequential search. So we're going to see out sequential search, and then inside we're going to write in list list. Oh no, just normal list without the. Okay, so never mind. I think it was like that. Yeah, it was. So comma, oh, by the way, this isn't actually how you're supposed to do it, now that I think of it. You're just supposed to declare it like this. This, however, you're going to need, so let's just remove some of that stuff. Int, we're not actually going to do that. What we need to do is we need to declare list type list. And then we just have that. And now we write in list dot list element is equal to this stuff right here. And right here, you can also make a change and write in is equal to array size. Okay. So now after you do that, then you can write in list right there, comma, and the search item is going to be 4. And L. Okay. So now from there, we have all of this stuff. And now let's just write in the function prototype int sequential search. semicolon, and now we should be able to run it. What's the problem here? Oh, and by the way, in this case, the function prototypes will actually have to come after the struct, now that I think of it, because at this stage, the program does not know what list type is. And now we are able to run it, and we got 2, which is precisely the correct answer. So that is a slide overview on how you can use arrays inside of structs. I hope you guys had fun in this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.